Primary School. Now going to Methodist Boys School, or known as ambience. So let's try this road, Jalan Han Tua. Welcome to Methodist Boys School. This is the entrance. They don't have a guardhouse before, but now they have a guardhouse. Oh, I can go inside. They don't let me film inside, so I'm going to film outside. This is the main entrance. Over there is the library. This is the teacher's office. The teacher's car will normally park over there. This photo is taken in front of teacher's office. Headmaster's office is over there on the left, and my classroom is across there at the end, far building. Every morning around 7 something, I'll be standing here opening the gates for teacher's car to come in. Not much have changed. During recess time, we normally gather around this area in the middle. It's already fenced. They don't have any fence last time. It's already fenced across there. And you see, it's already fenced. This is the area where teachers used to park the cars. This is the back. So this is my school. I used to study there. On top there. And here. And this is the hall. In the old days, they used to distribute free food for the children during lunchtime. They used coupon. Each student will be given a coupon to take the food. So once I got my coupon, I will eat outside here. And sometimes I eat inside. Once I finish, I return the plate. And if you look over there, that is the entrance to the canteen. There is an entrance over there for the primary school. So this is my canteen where I used to buy food. The back of the school has a staircase leading into the canteen. And when I was small, I used to sit around here and play the slide. You can imagine this is not smooth. The crosses will always get torn. There is no gate here last time, so I think they just put up a gate here for the primary school. There wasn't any basketball court here, so I think they put up a basketball court for the people.